Getting a couldn't go live error on TikTok on your iPhone? This may happen if you don't meet TikTok's live stream requirements, have a poor internet connection, or if there's a temporary app glitch. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok's couldn't go live issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and your account's registered birth date is at least 16 years old. If not, this live feature won't be available. Make sure you have at least 1,000 followers in your profile. TikTok requires you to have at least 1,000 followers before you can go live. This is a common requirement, but there are some advanced solutions. These can solve your problem. Try these right now. Solution 1. Reset your network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 2. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see any updates available, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Now go ahead and check the issue. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Report a problem. Open up the Safari browser. Then type in search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then, tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the Category drop-down menu. Select Feature Suggestions. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, Dear TikTok team, my live option is not working properly on TikTok and I can't host live. Please help me to host live. Then checkmark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok team will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. And this is the way to fix the TikTok's couldn't go live issue on your iPhone. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.